Welcome to my channel IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class students. Chapter 8 Geometry. We are doing exercise 22nd problem matching. In column A, the names of the triangles were given. In column B, angles of the triangle were given. So, first one, right angle. Right angle means one of the three angles must be a right angle. So, here one of the three angles is a right angle, therefore, or this is the angles of a right angled triangle. Next one, isosceles triangle. Two angles must be equal. Isosceles triangle means a triangle in which two sides are equal. When two sides are equal, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Therefore, two angles are equal. Here, 40, 40, 100. Two angles are equal. Therefore, it is an isosceles triangle. Next, acute triangle. A triangle in which all the three angles are acute is called an acute triangle. 60, 60, 60. It is an acute triangle. So, Q. Scalene triangle. A triangle in which the three angles are different. For example, 60, 20, 100. Three angles are different, therefore three sides are also different. Therefore, the triangle is called a scalene triangle. So, this is P. Next problem. Fill in the blanks by observing the figure given. Here it is a circle. C is the center of the circle. P, Q, E, B, A, D are the points on the circle. T is also a point on the circle. MN is a line. RS is also a line. AB is a line segment. And DE is also a line segment. Here C is the center. Therefore, AC and BC are the radii. So, fill in the blanks observing the figure. First one, AC is called dash. AC. C is the center, A is a point on the circle, therefore this is a radius. AC is called radius of the circle. Next, line segment AB. So, if we put a dash above AB, it is a line segment. Line segment AB is called dash of the circle. Here AB, line segment AB is called the chord, C-H-O-R-D, chord of the circle. Next, the part of the circle PQ is called dash of the circle. The part of the circle PQ, that is this portion of the circle, is called the arc of the circle. Next, the region bounded by the line segment AB and the point of the circle ATB is called the region bounded by the line segment AB and the part of the circle ATB, that is AB and ATB. This region is called the segment of the circle. So, this region is called the segment of the circle. Next, 27. The line RS which touches the circle at T is called dash to the circle. The line RS which touches the circle at T is called the tangent of the circle. A line which meets the circle or touches the circle at only one point is called a tangent. Therefore, the line RS which touches the circle at T is called a tangent to the circle. Next, the line intersecting the circle at M and N is called dash of the circle. The line intersecting the circle at M and N, this is N and this is M. So, a line which is intersecting the circle at two distinct points is called a secant. So, it is a secant of the circle. The line MN is a secant of the circle. It intersects the circle at two distinct points. 29. The line segment DE is passing through the center DE. It is passing through the center C. DE is called dash of the circle. DE is called the diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Next, the arc DTE is called dash of the circle. The arc DTE. DTE, this portion of the circle is called a semicircle. A semicircle of the circle. Next, 31. The region bounded by two radii CA and CB and the arc AB is called dash. The region bounded by CA, CB and the arc, this total region, this is called a sector. A region bounded by two radii and an arc is called a sector. A sector of an angle 90 degrees is called a quadrant. If this angle, this is a sector angle, if this is 90 degrees, this sector is called a quadrant. Suppose if we take this radius CA and some CL, this angle is 90 degrees, this is an arc. So this sector is called a quadrant. This is a quadrant. Quadrant.